Welcome to Tesla Daily. Here's the latest news in the tech world. First up, Tesla is set to discontinue the Model S and X to focus on Optimus Production. Meanwhile, talks are heating up between SpaceX and xAI as they prepare for an IPO. On another note, Tesla's Robotaxi program is facing some hurdles, with high crash rates being a significant concern. In brighter news, Tesla has reached a milestone, hitting 1 million full self-driving subscriptions. Also, their $20 billion capital expenditure plan signals a major shift in strategy. And finally, Tesla's robotaxi expansion plans are in motion, with new cities on the horizon. Stay tuned for more updates. First up, let's dive into some big news. Tesla is discontinuing its Model S and Model X to focus on producing its Optimus humanoid robots at the Fremont factory. This is a major shift for Tesla. They're moving away from traditional car manufacturing to embrace robotics and AI, which aligns with CEO Elon Musk's vision for the future. The Model S and X were once the flagship models that put Tesla on the map. Now, they're being phased out as the company aims for a more ambitious tech direction. During the recent earnings call, Musk said, "It's time to bring the Model S and X programs to an end with an honorable discharge." He emphasized the need to shift resources towards developing the Optimus robot. This decision comes as Tesla faces declining sales. The Model S and X now make up less than 3% of total deliveries. The company also reported a 10% drop in automotive revenue, largely due to increased competition and a saturated market. Musk's focus on AI and robotics is tied to a hefty $20 billion capital expenditure plan for 2026, aimed at ramping up production of Optimus robots and boosting Tesla's AI capabilities. Analysts are split on this strategy. Some see it as a necessary evolution, while others worry that stepping away from traditional vehicle production could hurt Tesla's market position. This shift raises important questions about profitability and market share, especially as Tesla competes with established automakers and new EV brands. Next, let's talk about SpaceX and xAI. There are talks of a potential merger as SpaceX prepares for an IPO later this year. This could bring Elon Musk's ventures under one roof, creating operational synergies and boosting market value. A merger could combine SpaceX's launch capabilities with xAI's artificial intelligence technologies, potentially creating a powerhouse in both aerospace and AI. Reports suggest this could lead to space-based AI data centers, a concept Musk has been advocating for. While discussions are still in the early stages, the strategic benefits are clear. However, there are concerns about how this might affect Tesla, especially after its recent $2 billion investment in xAI. Now, on to Tesla's Robotaxi program. New data shows that Tesla's Robotaxi fleet is crashing at a rate 3 times worse than human drivers, even with safety monitors in place. This raises serious safety concerns about Tesla's autonomous driving technology and its readiness for widespread use. In Austin, Tesla's Robotaxi fleet has recorded 9 crashes over about 500,000 miles, which translates to a crash every 55,000 miles. In contrast, human drivers average a crash every 500,000 miles. This is particularly troubling since each robotaxi has a safety monitor meant to prevent accidents. The lack of transparency around crash details complicates matters further, raising questions about accountability. As Tesla aims to expand its robotaxi service to more cities, these safety concerns could slow down regulatory approvals and public acceptance. Investors will be watching closely to see how Tesla tackles these issues, especially as it positions itself as a leader in autonomous transportation. On a brighter note, Tesla has hit a milestone with 1.1 million active subscriptions for its full self-driving software, a 38% increase from last year. This growth reflects rising consumer acceptance of Tesla's FSD technology, which is crucial for the company's future revenue strategy. Switching to a subscription model for FSD is part of Tesla's broader goal to create recurring revenue streams. Currently, FSD subscriptions cost $99 a month, but Musk has hinted that prices might rise as the technology improves. The success of this model is vital, especially as Tesla aims for 10 million active subscriptions by 2035. Now, let's talk about Tesla's ambitious $20 billion capital expenditure plan for 2026. This investment signals a major pivot towards AI and robotics, moving away from being just an automotive manufacturer. It shows Tesla's commitment to developing its Optimus robot and expanding its robotaxi service. However, this shift raises concerns about managing such a massive investment while facing declining automotive revenues. With competition heating up, especially from new entrants in the EV market, Tesla will need to prove that these initiatives can deliver significant returns. Lastly, Tesla has confirmed plans to expand its robotaxi service to new cities across the US this year. This move is part of its strategy to lead in autonomous ride-hailing services, which could be a key revenue driver in the future. The rollout to cities like Dallas, Houston, and Miami is a big step for Tesla. They've already logged nearly 700,000 paid robotaxi miles since launching in Austin, showing growing acceptance of their technology. But challenges remain, including regulatory hurdles and safety concerns, especially given the recent crash data. As Tesla seeks to scale its robotaxi service, addressing these issues will be crucial for gaining public trust and regulatory approval. Investors will be keen to see how quickly Tesla can expand its fleet and whether it can meet its ambitious growth targets. Tesla is navigating a transformative period, and how they manage these changes will be key to their future success. That's a wrap for today's Tesla Daily Insights. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick reminder, this is for informational purposes only, not financial advice. Catch you in the next update.